And he was trying to do like this French tip on my finger, and his French tip looked really wonky. So I was just like, nah, like, let's just not, like, I'm not gonna be disappointed twice. Like, what's up, y'all? So we out here at this trail that we go to sometimes. And yeah, we're just gonna vibe out, packing a couple J's. We have the XS with us. We're gonna take a couple hits of some concentrate. We're gonna do that for a different video, I think. We're just out here enjoying the day because the weather is really nice. It's like 70-something degrees. It's really pretty out. Just out here enjoying nature. Y'all know this is my vibe. Look, and we're twins. You see our shirts. I want to be like mine.
Let's know I was born first.
Okay, old head. We'll see y'all on the trail. In a tree, it fell over. We made it to the spot. What's popping, y'all? It's Sunday. I'm out here packing a J lemon cherry gelato. Shit is gas. I'm about to go get my nails done. Yesterday was like one of those days. Y'all know this. Between the retrograde and we had a solar eclipse last night, I believe. This shit is taking me out. I was so overstimulated yesterday. Like, I had so many plans for last night that I wanted to do, but honestly, I just couldn't get my shit together. Like, it was just too much. I was so overstimulated. I ended up just going to sleep. But yeah, but I'm about to just pack a J, blow it, right? Go get my nails done and be in a better mood so I can come home and play with my babies. So I want to do like a game day or something. Oh my gosh, if y'all could see the amount of weed I just like flung everywhere. Yesterday was one of those days where it was like, it was cool, whatever, but like during the day, and then like it's like just kind of slowly started to spiral. So yeah, I was like, yeah, I definitely need to take today and kind of just worry about myself. So go ahead and light the fuck up. Reese is gonna be like, what the fuck? Because there's literally weed everywhere. So I just came from getting my nails done. This is the set. It's like a really like pretty pink. Bro, and he cleaned up everything that I didn't like about my old set. Like, I was shook at how like my nails transformed. And I already told y'all I was scared to get a design, and he was trying to do like this French tip on my finger, and his French tip looked really wonky. So I was just like, nah, like, let's just not, like, I'm not gonna be disappointed twice. Like, let's just go with the plain set. So yeah, we did that. I'm about to be on my way home, but yeah, he made my nails look really good. Happy Saturday. It's swimming lesson day, so I'm just getting dressed, getting myself ready. This is the kids' second swim lesson, so I'm super excited. I didn't put perfume on. I think I'm gonna wear Not Another Cherry by Finery. But yeah.
You're so pretty!
Why did we pull up and swimming's canceled? So we have to figure out what else we're gonna do with our day. They said they're gonna recredit for it, so we'll get a credit for this class. And I think like the class for, it's either next week or the week after that, because Memorial Day, we won't have class. Yes, we got the babies some slushies. So I'm gonna assume this one is Case.
Some slushies.
You got coconut?
Mango.
Mango. And Boo Boo got his cherry.
Cherry.
I got the grape with the nerds. Bro, if you're not getting nerds in your slushies, what are you doing?
These fries are bomb.
They are.
Transfer that, yeah. Transfer that.